want to see
ang gagawin mo dito, dadalhin mo to, tapos isulat mo dito.
ha? Move-in pa yan.
Talaga?
Tomorrow.
Renting or you bought?
Ha?
You bought or renting?
Renting. Yeah.
Ito. Are you looking for rent? 3 bedroom. Nasa 18K.
Nakakuha na ko na. 2 bedrooms, 15.
In case lang din. 15K, pwede ko i-rent siya.
Ay, ganun.
3 bedroom.
Perma na sila eh.
Ikaw na, ano kita ng DMCI nun
Ay, malas mo eh. May mga tao talagang ano eh.
Hindi.
Kaya basahan na lang tayo next time. Next time. Dito mundo. This is a lagoon. Ang cute, no? We have a lagoon. And we're in the tulay. And this is the function hall. This is where I'm planning to go or do whatever it is that needs to be done, like seminars, whatsoever. This is where I'm planning to do it. Or maybe even there sa clubhouse. And this is the basketball court. So yeah, it's a full court with kids on it. And that over there, this is where I live. This is where I'm moving. Okay. So this is going to be my new home. I just hope that you people would find it really nice kasi this is not dito natin gagawin whatever it is that I'm planning to do every weekend, seminars and what you call that, workshops. Syempre, yung mga wala yun. And I hope you lagoon. Ang ganda ng lagoon. And that's my mom right there.
Yung ano na, mga ano, yung gasin, ano ba yun?
Mga gamit?
Container,
Containers.
Ito nga.
pinalagay ko sa bulang. Sa bulang ba yun?
Hindi lang. More than
Ayan mo
10.
na,
Gawin ng
ayan.
15 plus.
Ayan na.
Yung ano, carton.
Tapos ano pa?
Carton boxes.
Ano yung boxes na inano natin? Iba to?
Iba pa yung
Plastic
boxes.
Oh,
Iba yung plastic boxes sa carton boxes.
carton
Okay.
boxes pala.
Tapos carton box.
This is where I'm going to do my readings, man.
Sa plenty of plastic.
Nice,
Kasi yung mga
right?
bedsheet.
Ilan yung boxes na carton?
Mga 50. Okay, we're discussing about the move tomorrow. So, medyo pagod. Yeah, that's it. That's the term for it. Pagod. Daming kailangan gawin. Sobra. Ang sarap dito sa clubhouse, man. This is very cool. Actually, it's quite cold, actually. I think it's because of the climate. We've been having lots of storms recently. So, yeah, we just have to suffer with it, I guess. Anyway, for now, this is Dana, and thank you very much for spending some time with me and letting me share with you my new place in the future. Well, starting tomorrow, that's my future.